Hi everyone, Gavin from Paddle here, and if you're an app developer looking to start monetizing on the web, I have really exciting news for you. Today, we're launching our Web Monetization Kit. It has everything you need to launch your app's first branded website, paywall, and web checkout, so you can start converting users directly into paying customers right from your website before they even set foot in your app. It also lets you redirect users to a web checkout from your app whenever they're making in-app purchases, so you can save on Apple's transaction fees. The best part is the landing page, paywall, and web checkout templates in our kit are fully functional right out of the box and built for Vercel, so you can deploy them in just a few minutes and just a few clicks. Or if you have a little bit more time, you have the freedom to fully customize every aspect of the design, flows, and pricing to closely match your app's brand and strategy once you hit deploy. Let's jump into an example. Here we have our landing page deployed live via Vercel. As you can see, it's a modern design and its aim is to convert. We have all the features you'd expect from this: a working feature carousel, social proof cards, and even a working FAQ section. But the most important thing is it's designed to convert users into paying customers. So just by clicking the pricing section, you can see that this leads to our live paywall template. And if you go through here, you will see that it leads to our working web checkout, where you can convert users into paying customers before they even land in your app. Because building trust and a seamless experience between app and web is important to a lot of developers, we've designed our templates with Next.js, ShodCN UI, and Tailwind so that every single element can be easily customized according to your desired branding, flows, and much more. No matter the situation and no matter the design, our templates can flex to cover what you need. Our paywall template is just as powerful. It's got clean and simple design oriented towards conversion. All you need to do is choose a layout that works for your app and your design, add the packages and the pricing that you want, and you're good to go. Meanwhile, with our web checkout design, you get everything you need to convert. Apple Pay enabled by default, customizable branding to build that trust, and a reactive design that works seamlessly across every device. Once you've customized the templates, Vercel makes deployment as simple as clicking a few buttons and entering a few variables. There's no need to build any complicated web infrastructure of your own. All you need to do is hit deploy once you've customized your templates, and then follow the instructions that come up on the screen. Here, I need to enter my environment variables. That's pretty easy. I'm just going to put in some test data here. And hit deploy. Now you're good to go. Your website is now live, deployed via Vercel, and available by this domain over here. Now, what's really cool is if you have any in-app purchases that you want to direct to the web for those checkouts from, you can use the same domain over here and process those transactions on the web instead. Also, if you're completely new to Paddle, one of the best parts is using this template is the fastest way to be approved as a Paddle seller. Once you've completed and deployed it, your website will contain everything you need to have your product verified by our team here at Paddle, so you can become a seller and go live very quickly. And that's that. Happy selling.